How to set up Instagram shop. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So not everyone will be eligible for it, and in order to get eligible for it you will have to switch your account from personal account to a public account and then to a business or a creator account. And after switching your account to a business account or creator account, just click on the three lines at the top right hand side corner, then click on the settings and privacy. And also make sure that you connect your Facebook page with your Instagram account, otherwise you won't be able to open up the shop. And after that, in your settings and privacy, click on this option of creator tools and controls, and if you have switched to business, then you will be able to find the option of business tools. Just click on it, and in this list you will be able to find the option of shop, but make sure that you convert your personal account to business account or creator account, and also connect your Facebook page with Instagram, otherwise you won't be able to find the shop option. And since I have not connected my Facebook page to Instagram, that's why I'm not able to see the Instagram shop option over here. And as soon as you connect the Facebook page, you will be able to see the option of shop. Just open it up and set up your shop. And this is how you will be able to set up Instagram shop. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.